Hiking the Guguan with the boys. About 8k in, 0.8k into this hike called Guguan in Taiwan. It's a good hike. I'm starting to sweat. It's just all steps all the way up. My man's hitting the qigong at the top of the steps. Ni hao. Hi. DJI Action 5, I think, or 4.
Oh, it does work.
Nice little stop off point.
It'll give me a GPS and a distance and it gives me comfortable.
But Ben, all we go trying, man.
Yeah, 2 secs. It's wild. Straight up cliffs. Got the old trusty hawkers on. Probably could have been a bit more prepared footwear wise, but they are like trail running shoes, so
I've been there as well, but yeah. But there's like a lot of you don't need to tell the call.
mate, these wee coffees are banging. What's it got in it, Joe?
That's it, looks alright, to be fair, like. I wonder what the fuck you were recording, man?
Just a little fly thing, mate. Mate, I feel like I'm getting bitten. How high are we, mate?
1200, nearly 1300.
1200 metres.
Yeah.
We're down 2 guys. It's turning into a bit of a fucking movie. Been hiking for about 2 hours. We've got another 2 to go, and it's getting rocky. What's up, bro? So the peak on this mountain is about 1,772 metres, which is like double any of the size mountains that we've got in the UK. And it's pretty much vertical all the way up. Bit of a flatter section. Thank God. Oh, what? That's class, man.
People must go, man. They're up here.
There's some cunt's bag here, mate. I might leave my bag here.
Suppose if it's at the summit, you can ditch your bag, can't you?
Mate, look at this. Proper little safety camp. So this is where you leave your bag?
I think this is where you can ditch your bag, aye. And just do the summit like that's there. Come back and get it.
I'm going to leave my bag here, I think.
Not me.
Aye, mate. What you got to say? Leave the bags in this wee hut. No one's going to steal them. These Asians never steal, do they? 3k straight up incline. He's on the rope.
Ah, the boys are here.
Whoa!
We've made it.
The track.
I think we're on the downhill track.
I feel like this looks like the track, man. Found it, man.
Yeah. That's unreal, that.
Mate, fuck you, that's death trap.
That's right here.
No coming back from that.
No chance.
Not by that, lads. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 survived.
Hell. 4 survivors.
The 4 fucking guys.
Mate, we're in the clouds now. There's the boys.
The fucking tunes over
Come
there.
on.
You know what fast been doing bigger jumps.
Mate, that just goes straight down. No rope.
More rope, motherfucker. I've got little steps as well.
I'd probably get paranoid and knock it down.
36 points, so we've got one more point to go.
One more point. This is living this.
Jesus Christ, that's amazing. Wow.
Oh, what? Oh, what? It's getting busy. It's busy up here, mate. Party at the top. Ni hao. Oh, ni hao. 谢谢.
Wow, look at that.
Mate, it's busy up here, huh? Wow. Wow.
Village hall meeting. Hey,
Bye bye. Bye bye.
bye bye.
谢谢喂喂，谢谢，拜拜。
Guess who's here, Christopher?
Hey!
Oh, good photo. Whoa!
This is at the summit. Made work. Yeah, we come for you know, offshore wind.
Ah.
The wind farm.
There you go, lad.
It's right.
我的
Energy.
Renewable, yeah, energy. There it is. 0.0 out of 37. Made it all the way to the top. So we're about 4 hours up. I think if we set off at 10, it's 1:45 now. Well, we spent fucking half an hour on the top, didn't we?
We've got quarter past 10 we've done walking.
Man, it's beautiful. I feel like I can hear water.
You can down there.
That's it. Mama didn't raise no quitter.
Nah, mate, no matter how fucking fast or slow you go, don't fucking give up, mate.
Yeah. Exactly, mate. Just sometimes it's the slow and steady wins the race, isn't it?
Toss in the hair, mate,
Oh my god. Whoa.
This is why you need your boots. We
Yeah.
support.
Coming downhill, mate.
Aye. The way down's easy as well, isn't it? Just because obviously you've got that adrenaline as well.
Yeah. It's if you stop for too long, you start getting. Sheshe, bye bye. Bye bye. Getting selfies with the hikers.
I remember this spot, I got a bit confused myself. Bye bye.
你看为什么不管说是走的颜色，都把它滑下山，你有吗？那你不下山，那你滑下山。
There's like 7 mountains in Taiwan, isn't there?
The perfect size stick.
Put it down, you realise what effort you fucking put in to get up there.
We come underprepared. We've got nuts, 0 electrolytes, and a tiny little bit of water left. Can I have a bit of soup? What are you eating? Nuts?
没事，蛋白质，蛋白质，
Jesus fuck.
反正这里没有什么病菌，还可以安定的话就很干净。
These nice people just gave us some eggs and crackers. Absolute legends. Give us a video with this, mate. Japanese egg in a packet, right? Deep fried.
Get a video of Nick coming.
Try everyone once. Keep stopping. Hello, Nick.
Bye bye, Nick.
Bye bye, Nick. How you feeling, Nick?
Alright.
You made it to the top, brother. 2k to go. Absolutely dripping. Oh. 16 out of 37 on the way down. Oh, the knees are burning.
Probably 16 left or what?
16 left, yeah. So we're over halfway. 1.5. 1.5 to go. 1.5 of sorrow. This has been an absolute beast of a hill. Fair play to all the guys making it to the top. We had 2 guys that had to turn back just due to like age and fitness levels, and they went back together just to keep each other safe. But this hill's basically 2 times the size of Ben Nevis. It's an absolute beast. Did look like a skunk there though.
That's one of the birds what they always eat, they've endangered them.
Is it? Yeah. Delicacy.
Was that?
32. 32, 37. Woo! 5 left.
500 metres, boys.
My man's doing the horse stance on his tiptoes. That's incredible. Meanwhile, I'm absolutely cooked from 3.7k hike. Oh yes, back onto the cobblestones. Some steps. What a difference it makes to standing on boulders. What an amazing hike. The heat, and we could have done with some more water, definitely, more electrolytes. My mouth's getting dry now, but 20 minutes, 15 minutes and I'll be back at the 7-Eleven, so jogging it. Running.
Not like that.
Maybe they've let some out.
That up there, boys.
What a view. We've made it. Wonder if it's live. Turmeric, collagen, mate, get some of that in you by the way. Collagen's good for your joints and that. I'm going to get one of them, mate. Turmeric, that's what's in the ginger shots I make. Turmeric. It's probably good for going before the hike, like. Should have took it with us. Carry sweat and water. Made it back. Just going to top up on fluids, meet the guys, and then try and go for a swim somewhere.